Connect the male RCA cable of the camera to the female RCA cable of our radio. Find the reversing signal detecting wire of your backup camera. Burn off the surface of third reversing signal detecting wire of the power harness. And then connect these two wires and swap them. Use insulating tape to protect the connection of these two wires. Pull the camera extension cable to the trunk of the car. Connect the camera ports together. Connect the red wire of camera to the camera wire of your car. No need to connect black wire of your camera. Go back to the cab. The backup camera image will show on the screen when reversing the car. If you haven't connected the reversing signal detecting wire, it will not show a reversing image when reversing the car. Connect the backup camera RCA port of the radio to the related backup camera port of your car.